So in the end, where resists the Profinet protocol in the Isi-Osi reference model, everybody knows from studying. Yeah, we are based on the layer 1 and on layer 2. Layer 1 is just the hardware layer, and on layer 2, we have here the propagation layer. We don't require IP or UDP TCP layer. It's there for some protocols we have it, yeah, but for, let's say, for the fast and reliable data exchange between PLCs and its dedicated field devices, there no IP address is taken due to speed reasons, due to performance reasons, and due to generating not too much overhead on the network. And on top here in the layer 7, there is such called field bus application layer. What does the field bus application layer describes? In the end, this is the service, how to configure the devices. This is the service, how to diagnose the devices, how to parameterize them, how to send the data, how to get data, to set up the performance, to set up the entire network in the end. Let's imagine we have an analog input module, and that analog input module can be switched between a current control or a voltage control, and so you need to parameterize this, or you can maybe change the measurement area between 0 and 10 volt or 5 to 10 volt or whatever, and then this changing is done in configuration path, and this is described how this is done. This is a field bus application layer. Also, to diagnose the station, so what behavior does the station has, that the station can send you an alarm in case of, let's say, we have a short circuit and wire break, dirt on the sensor, whatever you can imagine. This is an alarming system also that is described by a field bus application layer. And last but not least, the service, the quality of service also, it should be achieved. That means how often, how reliable the communication should be, do I use redundancy in the system, and so on. This is all described by a field bus application layer, so a really powerful thing. And this is something that distinguishes an automation protocol from an office protocol like web server, HTTP, or SMTP for mail transfer. So this is something that the field bus makes the field bus itself unique. And there's a lot of work to do so and to generate this field bus application layer. And in the end, this field bus application layer now is also fulfilled by your technology provider, where you buy your development kit from, because they have this field bus application layer in its body, and in the end, you have an interface and an API where you can program with, and then this field bus application layer is automatically filled in the back. On Ethernet, on industrial networks, normally it should be established once, and then it runs 24/7, and this for many years, and without interruption.